Hi guys, today we're going over lesson 36 for second grade. So we'll be starting with two-digit addition. We're just going to be practicing some addition. So we'll just do one example. Number 4, let's do 14 plus 58. Like always, for me it's more comfortable to rewrite the question vertically so that you can line up the places. So we have the 4 and the 8 in the 1's place right here, and then the 1 and the 5 in the 10's place. Then it's easier when you're regrouping and it's easier to visualize what you're adding up. So let's start with the 1's place. We have 4 plus 8, which is 12. Now we'll regroup that's 10 into the 10's place. Now we have 1 plus 1, which equals 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. So 14 plus 58 equals 72. So that's basically what you'll be doing for this page. And then let's go over drawing time. We're given a time to draw. So let's go over number 3. We're given 4:05. So again, the numbers on the clock, these are the hours. And to get the minutes, you're going to be counting by 5, starting with 0 here. 0, 5, 0, 5. You count by 5, so you'll be adding 5s to each one. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 15 plus 5 equals 20. 20 plus 5 equals 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. 55. So basically, if this is 5, this is 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's how the minutes work on the clock. And when you're writing the time, you'll be putting the minutes on the right hand side and the hours on the left hand. And we have 4 on the left, so we're going to be drawing 4 hours. And we have a 5 on the right, so we'll be drawing 5 minutes. So 4 hours and 5 minutes. So let's start with the minutes. If we look here, the 5 is right here. So we'll be pointing the minute hand to the 1 right here. Remember, the minute hand is the longer hand. You can't see the number, but like this. And then 4 hours, because 4 o'clock just started, we're only 5 minutes past 4 o'clock. The hour hand is going to be almost straight, directly pointing at the 4. It's not going to be in between the 4 and the 5. It's going to be pointing straight at the 4. And that's 4:05. Remember, the hour hand is shorter and the minute hand is longer. And the minute hands will be going by 5s. And the hours, they are the numbers that are just shown directly on the clock like this. And then, yeah, this is 4:05. Let's go over perimeter. Perimeter is the total distance around a shape. So this distance, we're looking for this distance right here. This. How long is this? So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to add this. We're going to add this side to this side. We're going to add that to this. Add that to this. We're just looking for the distances, the lengths of each side, and then we're going to add it all up to find the total. So since this is a rectangle, if this is 6 centimeters, then that means this is also 6 centimeters. And if this is 8 centimeters, then this is also 8 centimeters. And now we're given all these side lengths. To this we have 6, 8, 6, 8. So we're just going to be adding all of that up together. 6 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. You can add it all up together at once, or you can add 2 of them first and then add the next 2. However you want, as long as you make sure you add all of the numbers. So let's just start with 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is just 12. And then we're going to add that to 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. So now we have 12 plus 16. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 1 plus 1 equals 2. So the total is 28 centimeters. Let's use a different color. 28 centimeters. So that's what we got as the total length around this shape. We're adding all of the lengths of each side to get the total, which is 28 centimeters. Lastly, we're going to be doing a word problem. We'll do number 1. It says there are 129 flowers in a garden. There are 58 white flowers, 37 red flowers, and the rest are pink. How many pink flowers are in the garden? So basically the total is 129. This is including white, red, and pink. And what makes up this 129 is 58 white flowers, and 37 red flowers, and an unknown number of pink flowers. So this makes up the 129. This is the white flowers, this is the red flowers, and these are the pink flowers. So we'll just first add the white and the red flowers up together since we're given that information. 58 and 37, we'll add that together. Then we're going to subtract it from the total, 129. So I'll do it right here, 58 plus 37. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Put the 5 here, regroup the 1 in the tens place. Now we have 1 plus 5, which equals 6. 6 plus 3 equals 9. So that's 95. This total is 95. Let me erase this. There are 95 red flowers and white flowers, and we're trying to find the pink now, so we're going to subtract the red and the white flowers from the total amount of flowers. So we'll do 129 minus 95. Do that right here. 129 minus 95. 9 minus 5 equals 4. And 2 minus 9, since we can't do that, we'll have to regroup. 12 minus 9 instead equals 3. So now we have 34. There are 34 pink flowers. Oops. If you want to check your answer, you can add the 34, 37, and 58 to see if you get 129 as your total. And that's how you solve this worksheet. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this